Good morning, good afternoon. I don't know what time it is for you, but I am just going to go over the lesson for this week. And please know that you can show up to my tutorials at 3 any day, or you can email me if you have questions. Okay, so our lesson this week is focused on plant growth and reproduction, and we're going to be looking at some wildflowers of Texas. Before I start, just a reminder that the dichotomous key quiz was due on Monday. Most of you got it done and did awesome, and some people I think might just need a little encouragement and reminder. So please do that. All the directions I sent in an email, and they're also on my website. And the other thing I need you to do is to make sure you finish making accounts for BrainPop, ReadWorks, and Legends of Learning, because we're going to be using those in the next few weeks. Okay, so I have the directions on how to log into BrainPop. Many of you have done it. Some of you are having trouble. One of the main things people are having trouble with, it's because when they type in their class code, they try to log in right away. But when you type in your class code, the next thing you have to do is create an account, okay? And you use your school login information, and then you can log in, okay? If you have trouble, again, come to tutorials at 3 o'clock, and I will have you share your screen, and I'll walk you through it. Okay, so if you cannot get into BrainPop and you've talked to me, I have the videos right here. They're on my YouTube channel, and they're also on the Flower Power slideshow. You can watch those and take the quiz and just send me an email to let me know you did it. Okay, so we're going to be spending the next few weeks on plants. This week is Flower Power. Next week are seeds, and you're going to be dissecting fruit. Then we're going to go to leaves, and then we're going to go to spices. And during this time, you're going to be completing a scientific inquiry at home. And I'll get you details on that next week. Okay, so forever ago, we learned about what characteristics all living things share. So plants are living things, which means all of those characteristics are true of plants as well. So when we say all living things, one of the things that they do is grow and develop. Now in class, we did a breakout room where you came up with as many characteristics as you can. If you're watching the video, I just want you to pause and write down as many characteristics of living things that you can remember in 3 minutes, okay? So pause the video, and then I'm going to go through with the answers. Okay, so all living things made up of more than one or more cells, respond to stimuli, reproduce, adapt and change over time, use energy to survive, maintain homeostasis, have RNA or DNA, and grow and develop. So you can pause this and look at the screen, or go back to my website and get the slideshow. Okay, so this is a weekly overview. You're going to do the intro Zoom session. The video is right here. You're going to do the plant growth BrainPop and watch the video and fill out the notes, and then take the BrainPop quiz. I want you to try to get that done by the end of the day, Wednesday. If not, of course, you can have an extension. Just let me know. And Thursday and Friday, the only thing you need to really do is label a flower diagram and identify 2 flowers that you find. Okay, the rest is optional. I'm going to go through that. Okay, do plants have ways of surviving and adaptations that help them survive? Yes, they do. If you think about a cactus, that has ways of storing water, and a rose with thorns to protect it from predators. And the adaptation we're going to be focusing on this week is flowers. So flowers are an adaptation that allow plants to reproduce really effectively. Okay, you have the male part with the pollen, and you have the female part